Yep, you got clickbait, bitch. Now subscribe to my channel.
Y'all cold stuff. Big cam, boy. Smell like a old school, straight old school, straight pipe. Yeah, I still gotta go get my my tie sensor. The dealer should be bullshit. It's really a beautiful ass day today. Camera hitting, like the footage look good. The sky look good. Yeah, I feel like this gonna be a good vlog right here. Yes, sir. Oh shit, boy, I thought, I'm looking, I'm like, I know fucking well, I ain't going no 80, 90 miles per hour. I was finna say, oh shit. Finna get my stupid ass pulled over. Going straight to jail. Okay, pulling up to the car wash. I have to check, cause some of them be having mud and shit in them. Like that bitch clean. That bitch got mud in it right here, so we're gonna go to this one. That bitch clean right there. Let's go ahead and get the business clear. Make sure the sunroof and everything closed. I lied, they got mud. It's not that bad. Let's see if they're gonna take my dollars. My dollar. For this fucking the thing. Trip. I thought it was out of order. Watch how much I'm gonna bet. If it don't take the dollars on the first try, all y'all cash at me $1. Watch. Swear. It's the first time ever doing that. That's crazy. I'm ashy as fuck. That's about quarter up. I'm going the wrong way. Put on that rinse. can see. Just got back to the grill, wiped down the rims, put some tie shine on it. The special ingredient. As you can see, car sitting right, looking good. I like how that bitch be sitting because like the back lower than the front. It lean back. So that's all. If y'all wonder what that is, them Demon Springs. So I recommend y'all getting Demon Springs if you have a RT, a Scatpack, wide body, or Hellcat, Redeye, anything. I put Demon Killer Springs on your car because it ride better and it sit better. And when you hit the gas, whatever, it transfer all the weight to the back. Let's show y'all, see if y'all can see it. So y'all can see them red springs back there. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. What's good with y'all, man? Me and Jay, we on the way to AutoZone, pulling up the AutoZone. Finna get some paint. I got some paints. I got some brakes I gotta paint today. I was just coolin', you know what I'm saying? Something told me to pick up the camera. I just thought about it. I be forgetting. They bad ass AutoZone. Finna go ahead and get this paint right quick.
Pay attention to pad orientation during approval.
That bitch gonna ask for the ID.
How y'all doing?
Doing alright, how you doing?
Y'all find anything or?
Nah, I'm good. I know, what is it? The primer? Primer. Clear coat, here, go right here. I want some white primer though.
So this is a sandable primer here.
What's different from that?
So this is
Sand the car.
so like if you're gonna paint it and
Like
try to
sand it
fill
first?
Well, actually it's that way. So like let's say you use Bondo on it or something,
Yeah.
and you prime the whole thing, then you can sand over top of this
Oh,
and not remove all of it.
Oh, okay, all right. I mean, I guess the color don't really mean nothing, right? The
Right, but
white and gray.
So that's it for specific high heats for like an engine or something like that.
Like brakes, like it'll go good on brakes, huh?
So this is our caliper paint here
Yeah.
that you're not supposed to have to primer it before you.
That's right.
Worried about me, man. I had to stay night in my pocket.
I'm gonna fuck with this. I'm gonna go ahead and
I
get
had some
this.
sleep.
You like that? Oh man, they ran out of tie shine I need, man.
I got some in my car.
You got tie shine?
Ish.
Oh yeah. You know I used the other shit.
Which one?
The cover. There's some good ass tie shine too right here. Shit, yeah. Y'all want a bite? Y'all grab one. Go ahead, grab one. Yeah, nigga, stop being bullshit and grab a piece of chicken. Bullshit. Bullshit ass niggas. Yo, you want a bite? There you go. Take a bite.
Your boy Tyler right here, man. Still working on some brakes right now. Got your boys right here, you know. Yeah, about to get them right. Produced by Big J, yeah. Y'all see it, man. Scatpack, man. Tight. Yeah.
That big 6.4.
6.4 thing, man. Boy right here getting situated. Yeah. Like that. Man, what? I was just saying that. Get my,
It's so cold out there. Yeah.